The Rector of GIMPA, Professor Ebow Bondzie-Simpson, says commemorating Constitution Day is a step in the right direction because the current Fourth Republican Constitution has endured the longest. Speaking at a maiden public lecture to mark the day in Accra, Professor Ebow Bondzie-Simpson said the outstanding conditional review started in 2001 should be completed.
Ghana has had 4 republics over the last 59 years. The first was from 1960 to 1966, the second from 1969 to 1972, and the third in 1979 to 1981. The fourth and current started in 1993 till date. The Fourth Republic came with the 1992 Republican Constitution on 7th January 1993. 27 years down the lane, the Fourth Republic remains the longest and most stable in the history of the country. At the maiden edition of the annual Constitution Day public lecture on the theme Constitutionalism in Ghana's Fourth Republic Towards Functional Performance, the Rector of the Ghana Institute of Management and Public Administration, GIMPA, Professor Ebow Bondzie-Simpson, touched on constitutionalism, the 1992 Constitution, evaluation of the Constitution and the way forward.
When we talk about constitutionalism, we are talking about a juridical quality by which the structure, the political arrangements, and the governance of the jurisdiction are shaped by and manifest. Being shaped by is how it informs. Being manifest is how it is expressed. And it is in areas that are internationally accepted pertaining to the rule of law, human rights, participatory government, limited government, and probity and accountability.
He mentioned 3 critical areas in the 1992 Constitution, including Parliament and the National Development Planning Commission, that must be reviewed. On the way forward, Professor Bondzie-Simpson proposed that the outstanding unfinished constitutional review work, which started in 2009, should be completed.
The commemoration should not be limited to public lectures in the evening 5 to 7, which is good to do, but it should be preceded at every district with a citizens forum. There will be the opportunity for the district chief executives, and that applies to municipal and metropolitan chief executives, to provide an account of activities of the last year. There should be the opportunity for think tanks or the tertiary institutions that may be available in the district or adjoining districts or in the region to provide a critique of activities in the district over the last year.
There were solidarity messages from the Center for Democratic Development, CDD, National Commission for Civic Education, NCCE, and the Ministry of Information, all pledging their continued support to constitutionalism in the country.